Hello guys, welcome back to IT Scholar. Today we will learn to use the if formula in a very easy way. But before we head towards our video, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming knowledgeable content. Let's get to the video. The if formula is a logical formula used when a condition occurs, such as this whole data over here, which displays the data of some random students with total marks and their obtained marks, but their status is still empty, which we will find by using the if formula and mentioning that which student will be passed and which one will be considered failed, depending on the condition we want. Let's consider if I want a student who obtained 50 marks or more than 50 marks, then that student will be considered pass. Less than 50 marks, that student will be considered fail. Let's try it with the formula. By typing on the cell, we need the result in, just like I'm typing here, is equal to sign if, bracket open. There are some options we have to fill out, like in the first one we will have to type the cell we need to select for condition C3. Then we put the condition like if a student obtains more than or equal to 50 marks, then we write the value of true, which means where we wanted the desired value as per your need. Just like if a student gets more than 50 marks, he or she will be considered pass. Double quotation marks, comma, other than, fail. Double quotation marks, fail, double quotation mark, bracket over. This one here displays the false option. Now see what happens if we press enter. You can see the student is considered pass as per the formula. Let's try with another student by using mouse this time, but we need keyboard as well to type the values. Type is equal to sign if, bracket open, C4 greater than or equal to 50, comma, we put the true value here, double quotation marks, pass, double quotation marks, comma, double quotation marks, fail, double quotation marks, bracket over, enter. There you can see the result displays that the student is considered failed due to not obtaining enough marks. Let's see what others will result when we just copy the same formula to the rest of the data by hovering the mouse pointer on the corner of this cell over here and double click when it displays the black plus cursor. Double click. And you can see the result of the formula on every student as per their data. I hope everything is clear. We will end the video right here. If there is any query regarding this topic, you may ask in the comment down below. And don't forget to like and share the video.